4 planets are sitting together in one sign right now, and the sky has not looked like this in a very long time. So, in Vedic astrology, when 4 planets come together in the same sign, it is called Chaturgrahi Yoga. And in April 2026, it's actually happening in Meen Rashi, that is Pisces. The 4 planets are Sun, Saturn, Mars, and Mercury, all 4 in one sign at the same time. Now, let me tell you why this matters. Because each of these planets has a completely different energy, different personality, and putting them all together in the same room, as in one area of your life. Just imagine. And that is where it gets intense. So, Saturn has been sitting in Pisces for a while. He's the planet of karma, discipline, slow lessons. He does not rush. But Mars is fire, speed. The moment Mars joins Saturn in Pisces, you have a ice and fire in the same room. The push and pull, you'll feel it in your career, your plans, maybe your decisions. Then comes Mercury, your mind, your communication, your logic. Now the twist. Mercury in Pisces is debilitated, meaning uncomfortable and foggy. So you might feel like you cannot think clearly or maybe express yourself. And maybe you keep on second guessing every single decision. That's not you. That's Mercury in Pisces. And the sun is here too, the soul, the life force, hidden behind Saturn's shadow, which means even confidence and clarity feel harder to access right now. All 4 together in Pisces, that is the Chaturgrahi Yoga. And then moon also joins them for 2.5 days in mid-April. The moon is your mind, your emotions, your innermost feelings. And when it steps into this cluster, everything becomes more intense, more sensitive, more reactive. So you might feel emotional in a way you cannot explain. So when moon is inside this gathering, it is the most emotionally raw part of this particular transit. Now Pisces itself matters here because it is the 12th sign, the sign of surrender and letting go. Also deeply spiritual. So when you put Mars, Saturn, Mercury, Sun all together here, it's a lot of very different energies moving through a sign that basically asks you to slow down. So now what does it mean for you? It all depends on which house Pisces in your chart. That is where this energy is showing in your life. So now you go check which house Pisces falls in your chart and drop it in the comments. And I've written out what it means for each house in the caption, so don't forget to read it.